Are you planning to take the PMP examination and be a PMP Certified Project Manager anytime soon? Are you overwhelmed by the study material? Or are you scared because you have heard that the PMP examination is tough? You, my friend, have come to the right place. Hi, my name is Vinai Prakash. I am a PMP Certified Project Manager. With over 30 years of project management experience and over 15 years of experience leading project managers like you to successfully pass the PMP examinations, I am here to help you pass your PMP examination in your first attempt. Even if you have tried the PMP examination on your own and you could not pass it in your first attempt, I am here to help you. Many of my students have taken PMP courses elsewhere in their local city or country, but they couldn't pass the PMP examination and they get frustrated. They are angry, they are upset as to why they couldn't make it in the PMP examination. And then they came to me and I helped them understand the project management fundamentals, and I taught them several techniques. This step-by-step approach helped them with hundreds of tips and tricks on how to answer the PMP questions. With this, they were able to clear the PMP examination in their next attempt. Don't take my word for it. Check out the stellar testimonials and reviews people have left for us, sent them to us from all over the world over these past few years. Now I am here to help you. I have created a complete, systematic, step-by-step approach on how to study and how to pass the PMP examination. I have recorded over 45 hours of HD video, over 125 videos. Each video goes through one thing at a time. Step by step, I teach you the basics, the fundamentals, and I also go through what does it take to pass the PMP examination. That means how do you break this knowledge and how do you convert it to apply it to PMP questions. All of these 125 videos are available online to you. So you can watch them, learn from them, and try your hand at answering PMP questions yourself. Most videos are only 20 to 30 minutes long, so they are short enough to be watched in one single sitting. We recommend that you spend about an hour a day, watch a couple videos, and if you follow this approach, you will be ready for the PMP examination in 6 to 8 weeks' time. The great thing about our program is that you can watch these videos again and again on your daily commute or in your dedicated 1 hour that you are spending to prepare for the PMP examination. There are quizzes at the end of every lesson, and the good thing is that you can choose to take the quiz as many times as you want so that you can test your knowledge and make sure that you are catching the real concepts and are able to apply them on PMP questions. By doing this kind of repeated practice, you get better at answering PMP questions. If you want, you can also download the videos to save on the bandwidth. That way, once downloaded, you can copy them on your iPhone, iPad, or your Android phone or tablet, and then listen to the videos as and when you can find small bits of time. You can also take the quizzes, but the quizzes must be taken online. They are in full HD and you'll see me talking to you directly in each video as I explain each concept step by step. If you want, you can also download the slides that I use in the training. In the videos, after every few slides, I'll be giving you a mock PMP question for you to try live on the spot. And then I will be giving you detailed reasoning on how to eliminate the wrong choices and find the correct answer. Most of my students find this kind of question and answering recorded on videos to be the most valuable and useful, because this is where they get to try the question and then I explain the reason on why they chose the right answer or the wrong answer. We take a very exam-centric approach. The videos are full of tips, tricks, techniques, terminology and methodology to help you understand each concept step by step in detail. With this kind of detailed in-depth analysis, you will be able to retain the concept and be able to apply them on PMP questions. This is the strength of this program. Think about it. Once you are PMP certified, you will be able to command a higher respect, a higher salary, and it will boost your self-confidence and self-esteem. The annual PMI salary survey says that PMP certified project managers on average earn 23% more than their non-PMP certified project managers. So not only it is going to improve your knowledge, increase your worth, but it will also increase your salary and move you towards financial freedom. So what are you waiting for? Let's get started. The next program is available, ready and waiting for you. It is starting the next Monday. Quickly head to PMChamp.com and sign up for this training. See you soon in class. A better future awaits you. Thanks for watching. All the best.